Hello and welcome to the first in our series on all things Microsoft and artificial intelligence. This is Microsoft Expert Zone's AI Academy. Here you can not only expect to learn about AI, not only see it in action, but also understand how it fits into normal modern life. No matter what your hobbies are, what your workday looks like, or how you spend your time with friends and family, AI Academy has valuable stories, examples, and scenarios that you can make use right away. It's safe to say that there's almost never been another technology that has evolved and innovated as rapidly as AI. So keep checking back here at AI Academy regularly. We'll be creating content often, and the sooner you experience it, the more up-to-date you'll be on Microsoft Copilot's incredible AI experiences, features, and capabilities. But what can you expect to find in this series? You'll learn all about Microsoft's everyday AI companion, Microsoft Copilot, and how you can not only find Copilot, but use it to make every day easier. So whether you're a complete beginner or you've been using AI for a while, we are sure there's something exciting for you to learn in these videos. You will learn how tools like Copilot can elevate your daily productivity and give you a creativity boost when you need it. You will also learn about other AI enhancements throughout different Microsoft tools and services. Throughout the series, we'll also be covering what AI is, Microsoft's commitment to responsible AI, the science behind a prompt, different AI use case scenarios, and the many apps across Windows 11 and Microsoft 365 that you can use AI in, including Microsoft Designer and Clipchamp. So, if AI and the future of computing technology sounds interesting to you, make sure to check back regularly for our updated video, or even better, click on the subscribe button so you never miss our videos. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.